distraction.
Satan, go behind them.
She's unhappy, she came for a mission just because of what she had. You are happy, open up to your sister. Why are you doing this to your sister? You claim to love her, but you are causing her pains, destructions in her family. What do you stand to gain? She can't sleep anymore. You have taken sleep away from her eyes. Her happiness is gone.
What do you stand to gain? If you kill your sister, who will replace her?
All because of you.
What do you stand to gain?
Because her sleepless night.
What do you stand to gain? If you kill your sister?
What are you doing here at this time of the night? Mom! Mom, you're worried. Yes, you are. The reason sleep has traveled far away from you. You close your eyes to rest your body, yet your mind is not at rest. Mom, what is Auntie Cherichi still doing in this house? Send her away. Please send her away immediately, because she's up to something bad. She's evil, and I saw her in my dreams. She has planned to destroy you, and I hate her for...
You don't say that about your auntie. Okay? And it is not proper to start hating on people. Okay? Not Auntie Cherichi of all people. She's my twin sister. She's my better half. She's my blood. And I love her more than any other thing.
Mom. Mom, the devil has decided to play a fast one on us, coming from the least expected angle. The earlier we do something, the better for us. Mom, what has happened to our prayer life? We don't pray anymore. The Bible says, pray without ceasing. And you said a family that prays together stays together. What then happens now? Mom, do me one favor. Send her away. Send her away this night to avoid the impending danger. Mom, send her away to stop this heavy storm that is fast approaching. Please, Mom. Send her away. Please.
Sister. I love my sister so much.
was born with a golden spoon. All of a sudden, this has fallen apart. On a miri, Papa buzi onyara, Mama buzi onyara. Alile muwa, Akwalile muwa. This is so strange, so strange. Neuchi, Anuma nabazie, Okama nabazie ni baby boyfriend. Anuma nabazie, Okama nabani baby boyfriend. Onyeka gakolo. If you want to marry one day, Onyeka gakolo. If you want to marry one day, Nemo, Nemo, Ijuwa, Nemo, Nemo, Ijuwa. Was born with a golden spoon. All of a sudden, this has fallen apart. On a miri, Papa buzi onyara, Mama buzi onyara. Alile muwa. This is so strange, so strange. Neuchi, Anuma nabazie, Okama nabazie ni baby boyfriend. Anuma nabazie, Okama nabani baby boyfriend. Onyeka gakolo. If you want to marry one day, Onyeka gakolo.
Onya? Again?
Please, don't run. There's a problem.
There's a problem?
Yes.
What problem?
I don't know. But there's a problem.
I don't know. But there's a problem. Is that a new national anthem?
No.
Talk to me.
There's Auntie Anita. The one that stays in the city. She said she saw Auntie Cordil running mad in the city today, and when they tried to pursue her, she escaped.
I still don't understand what you are talking about. Because who is Auntie Cordil?
Our own Cordil, our own Auntie Cordil running mad. Hey!
Hey! Dikachi. Nketa li follow gonsa. Ase mon nketa li follow gonsa ki lu jwa fogo. Ogene na emege. Today o April Fool. Ima kwalo calendar. Eh? What is your problem? What sort of nonsense is this? How can you make such jokes? My own daughter running mad. Because stop your style.
No, I thought it was a joke. I'm not joking. I wasn't taking her serious, not until she showed me the picture of her. She took when they were pursuing her. See the picture. This is the picture. This is our Auntie Cordili. This is Cordili.
Hey! Anomuzwe! Mbano! Hey!
Yes.
Fat.
Born with a golden spoon. All of a sudden, this has fallen apart. On a wanya miri, Papa buzi onyara, Mama buzi onyara, Alile buwa.
I should wait. That I should wait. Eh? Kita no meche. Chereche is not picking her call. Eh? Chikondri is not picking her call. I don't know what has become of my daughters. Inasimo chalo to do what? I need to go to the city and know what is going on. What is this?
Mama, just wait now. It's not about calling them on phone.
Not about what?
Mama, before I got the news, it's already late.
Late about what?
You cannot go to the city now. You know it will take you like 4 hours getting to the city. By that time, it will be late. You don't have to be looking for their house at night now. Mama, just wait. The fact that Auntie Cherechi is not picking call is not even helping matters. Just Chelo, tomorrow you go to the city. Go inside and sleep.
Mama.
Think about it tomorrow.
Mama.
Hey, Mama.
Sleep. Naba. Or the possible. Hey! Onye Dikachi. I don't mind trekking to the city.
Hey!
Yes.
Trekking. Mama, where be Naija? Mama, you're not going anywhere. Mama, where be Naija? Mama, go inside. Take you out.
No! This cannot be my children's portion! It cannot be my children's portion! No! Biko, you will help me. I need to take my children back to home. I need to take my daughter to the village. How can my daughter wake up one day and become mad? Just like that! Hey! Chimo! Hey, Chico, Biko, no. I am begging you, Biko, please. There's a Wednesday prayer at a neighboring village close to our own village where I worship. I will take my daughter there. I got where. Mana, Biko, and you make no Biko, help me, Biko, no. Help me. I need to take my daughter to the village. Biko, no, Chico, the woman. Chico, hey. Efomo. Hey! Naija so biko kene o. Chukwonya keke biko kene o. Hey!
Never, nano, ijuwa. Never, nano, ijuwa. Adele mwa biero. I'm
spoon, we take all the spoon. All of a sudden, this has fallen apart. On a wanya miri, Papa buzi onyara, Mama buzi onyara. Alile mwa.
Mama. What is that your name again? Okwa Michael.
Michael.
Hi. Ugbe ekene, my dear. Wanyoma. Ugbe ekene kanje ekene uno. Oh, Arizunu. Thank you very much. The God I serve will continue to bless you for me.
Amen.
For doing this particular thing. Dalo.
It's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay.
You can now attend the function you want to attend. I will take it off from here. So long she's here, under my roof. Biko.
It's okay.
Thank you. Oh,
it's okay.
Oh,
I mean,
you can now go back to the city.
we are one big family. We are one big family. Don't worry. If there's any developments, just put a call across. And is there any other new thing? I'll call you. I have your number.
No problem.
Huh?
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Bye-bye.
I will take care of you. Bye-bye. Idongesit. Nothing will happen to you. Under my roof with your mother. With God on our side, everything is settled. Only Sabiniwe will not allow us to be put to shame. Huh? I know you must be hungry. Don't worry. I will make Nsala soup for you. Baby, look at Nsala soup with Azundu. Don't worry. My God has not condemned you. The world can never condemn you.
Desperate times requires desperate measures. What are you talking about? Look at me. Did you see the time? It's late. So wait though, you expect I told someone to go and be sleeping when there is fire on the mountain? Fire? What fire are you talking about? What are you talking about? I heard your mother. They are planning to take her to the nearest village for prayers. Why?
Yes, she is.
Yes, she is. And you're here, comfortably opening your mouth and be telling me, yes, she is. Do you have sense? So you want them to take your sister to those prayers house or where? Or where so that everything we're doing will cast. If your mother takes her to that prayer house, hey! You can wanna give up on me. Yeah, so okay, ma. They will catch us, so everything will cast. You have to do something. You have to do something to sneak her out of this house this night. Then I every agree about. Can you stop? What are you talking about? How do you want me to sneak her out of the house? Leave everything for me. Me too, someone. I've planned everything before coming here. You know that my friend, Isimbe, he is going to help us. You know he drives trucks. So he will help us and carry her far, 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 where nobody will see her, talk more of recognizing her hair.
Here they are not risky. This whole thing is becoming deadly. It's becoming deadly.
Nothing is deadly. If they become deadly, we'll become deadlier. If they become deadlier, we'll become deadliest. That is the game. You don't have to lose hope. Use your head. He won't be a japatego. See, you're my friendship. I know you're feeling somehow. Don't worry. Your tutu is here. And remember what Otaka said. Their pain and sorrow will give you victory. And you will get everything you want. My friendship. My darling, I am here for you. Tutu is standing behind you, Gidigba. Nothing is happening. We must get everything they've taken away from you. Yes, I'm here for you, my sister. Don't worry, my friendship. I got you. I got you.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry, mommy will be fine. I actually came here this early so that grandma and I will go look for a car and take mommy for prayers. I know after the prayers, she'll be fine. I promise, okay? Don't cry again. Huh? Don't cry, my boy. Don't cry. So, have you said good morning to your mom this morning?
Mama refused me sleeping where my mommy is. Mama said I shouldn't see my mommy in this condition. But my mommy doesn't remember me.
It's okay. It's okay. She's right. It's not good for you to see mommy in this condition. She called her. Mommy, she slept in this house yesterday now.
Mama gave her, but she's not at the backyard. Check if she's inside the house. Hey!
Agamejo Baba Kulunde Mobiko Keleno. No, she's not inside the house. Not inside the house.
Mommy is not here. Mommy is not here.
The devil has showed them.
Satan go behind them. Of war, Mataka, no longer the venture. Satan go behind them. Of war, Mataka, no longer the venture. Satan go behind them. Of war, Mataka, no longer the venture.
You are full of destruction.
Satan go behind them.
Go behind them.
Of war, Mataka, no longer the venture.
She's unhappy. She came for a mission just because of what she had. You are happy. Open up to your sister. Why are you doing this to your sister? You claim to love her, but you are causing her pains, destructions in her family. What do you stand to gain? She can't sleep anymore. You have taken sleep away from her eyes. Her happiness is gone.
What do you start to gain? If you kill your sister, who will replace her?
All because of you.
What do you start to gain?
Because her sleepless night.
What do you start to gain? If you kill your sister, who will replace her?
The devil has showed them.
Satan go behind them. Of war, Mataka, no longer the venture. Satan go behind them. Of war,
You're my true love. I love you so much. You're my little.
you are my heart and soul, my treasure, my today, tomorrow, my everything.
This is true love. Love on a soccer sugar. Akuroya miri mancha. True love.
You are my heart and soul, my treasure, my today, tomorrow, my everything.
What a sweet love. This is true love. Funny make a one name. Oh, love a soccer.
You are my heart and soul, my treasure, my today, tomorrow, my everything.
If I had to live my life again, I would find you sooner, so that I could love you longer, love more.
You are my heart and soul, my treasure, my today, tomorrow, my everything.
You're my true love. I love you so much. You're my little.
You are my heart and soul, my treasure, my today, tomorrow, my everything.
This is true love. Love on a soccer sugar. Akuroya miri mancha. True love.
You are my heart and soul, my treasure, my today, tomorrow, my everything.
What a sweet love. This is true love. Funny make a one name. Oh, love a soccer.
You are my heart and soul, my treasure, my today, tomorrow, my everything.
If I had to live my life again, I would find you sooner, so that I could love you longer, love more.
You are my heart and soul,
this is the true definition of for better, for worse, for poorer, for richer, in sickness and in health, till death do us part.
Oh.
Okay, wait, have it that these two were happily married in a faraway land. They were respected, well known, they were even used as an exemplary home before they got mad.
Wendy, Auntie, who told you that these two people are husband and wife? Just two people from different locations found love in the jungle, and you people have told the story already.
Whether they found love in the jungle or they were married before, the bone of contention still remains that they're in love with each other.
That's true though.
I wish someone can love me this way they love themselves. I just wish someone can take care of me, I envy them.
Auntie, keep quiet. You envy them. Okay, turn yourself to a mad woman so you become the second wife of the madman.
Me? Me? Mad woman?
Madman. Auntie, oh yeah, let's go. Feed them.
Romeo.
Come on, which Romeo?
Juliet.
It's okay now. I feel for them too, though.
You're my true love. I love you so much. You're my child.
You are my heart and soul, my treasure, my today, tomorrow, my everything.
This is true love. Love on us so touch. The evil has showed them. I jump
Satan go behind them. Mataka, no longer the puncher. Satan go behind them. Mataka, no longer the puncher. Satan go behind them. Mataka, no longer the puncher.
You are full of destruction.
Satan go behind them.
She's unhappy. She came for a mission just because of what she had. You are happy. Open up to your sister. He was born with a golden spoon. All of a sudden, this has fallen apart. On a wanya miri, Papa buzi onyara, Mama buzi onyara. Alile muwa, akwalile muwa. This is so strange, so strange. Newuchi, amuma nabazie oka. Ni baby boyfriend. I'm a nabazie oka. Nabani baby boyfriend. Onye kaga kono. If you want me, one ya. Onye kaga kono. If you want me, one ya. was born with a golden spoon. All of a sudden, this has fallen apart. On a wanya miri, Papa buzi onyara, Mama buzi onyara. Alile muoma, akwalile muoma.
With my hard-earned money, I opened a business for you so that you can feed a hawking business. You had the guts, the temerity to break a whole crate of egg, and you came back comfortably, conveniently to tell me stories. Now let me tell you something. For the next 1 week, there will be no food for you.
Why? What kind of a sister are you? Why are you like this? A sister that derives joy in seeing her other sister's son suffer. I know you have a hand in what happened to my mom and dad. Yes, what a bitter soul. How could you? What do you gain from all this?
Chelukwa, oh boy, am I the one you are talking to? Oh, wow! The little bird has grown so big that you can ask me questions. You can actually measure shoulders with me, right? You want to know the kind of sister I am? I am going to tell you. Your mother, my sister, my twin sister, stole something from me. She stole my destiny. Oh, I came back. I came back to take what rightfully belongs to me. And I can only have it back by inflicting pains on her. On anything close to her. And that is the reason I will inflict so much pains on you until you die. Now listen up. There will be no food for you for the next 1 week. You will stay locked up in this house. Ah! Joseph! If you step a foot outside this house or outside, I will castrate you. I will tear you into two. Now that is how bitter my soul is.
What a pity. You have been deceived. And I pray you realize on time before it's too late.
Am I the one you're talking to? Oh yeah! Raise your hand up! Raise your hand up! Oh yeah! Carry it! If this chair fall down, I will wipe your sister! Raise your hand up!
What am I not to you?
Joseph the dreamer! Joseph the dreamer! This is reality. They play the show. This is reality. If you I will flog your intestine now.
What's the excitement all about?
Obinatom, Obinatom, Imama Chineke, Pori, Yari,
What is it?
My baby Nabuelele, I have made arrangements for people that will come and buy everything in this house, all their properties, like everything in their name. Both the one you're signatory to and the one you're not signatory to, everything is settled. Hey!
Chalupa, Hold on. Including the ones I am not signatory to?
How? Oh, Che. You won't get how? You don't trust your baby like well. Oh, no. Toto, na me. Toto, I have solution to every problem. You know now. So leave it for me, my friendship. But remember how we are going to share the percentage.